morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Today we are going to look at this project, Trustbob. It's a business review and rating platform, as you can see, and then it's there are so many features over there. We have so many features there. Let me see. So top features. You can go ahead and go through all these features right here. So now we are going to make an installation, and that's why we have this video. Okay, so the first step now is to add to cart. If you haven't purchased this project script, you have to purchase, and then to purchase you need to add to cart. So you click on this button, add to cart, and then you got this model. So in this model we have item added to cart, we have the go to checkout and all of that. So you go to the checkout, and then you go through the procedures, and then you purchase. So as for mine, I have already purchased, and then let's get started with the installation. So basically, after you've purchased, you got this folder, Trustbob 11 node. So you click on it, you see this, you open it, and then you see this three folder right here. So we are going to work on these scripts right here. So this is the documentation, and this is the latest of outdated updates. So this is the latest update now. So you have to zip this folder. You click on how to archive, and then you click on how to archive and then zip. So I already zipped the folder. Now what next is to go for the installation process. So now for the installation process, you go to your cPanel, you log in into your cPanel, and then you see all this right here. So the very first step after logging into your cPanel is to click on File Manager, right? So, so now this is your File Manager, right? So you go ahead to the public underscore HTML section right here. So now we have this folder. I already work on this folder right here. So to upload yours, if you are going to use this direct one, if there's nothing here, you can upload your script folder here, but I have some project over here, so I won't be doing that. I need to create a folder again. So let me call it Trustbob. Right. Let's create a folder. So open the folder. So now we are going to host this project that we purchased. We are going to host it right here. Click on upload, select file. Okay, click on, I think it is okay here. Trustbob. So you upload this script folder, the zip one. So you click on open, and then you leave it to upload. So now doing this, let's quickly set up the database management. So you click on manage my databases. So let's call it Trustbob, right? So let's create the database. Go back, Trustbob, Trustbob. So let's use the password generator to generate this password. So let's copy it somewhere so I don't forget. So this is the password. So now we create the user. So now you successfully created a database username, p-value underscore trustbob. So you go back, you add that user to database trustbob, sorry, trustbob, and then you add. So on here, you are going to click on all privileges, all privileges. So you make changes. So you have successfully update that privilege now. So your username is payvalue underscore trustbob. The database is also payvalue underscore trustbob. So sorry. So we have this. Oops, oops. I wanted to copy the database name. So now this is the password and then this is the name, right? So our script has uploaded. So let's click on here to see what has uploaded. Okay, so now we have to extract files. So click on that folder, open that folder, and then select all. Then move the folder into that Trustbob folder. Move everything now. So now after we've moved it, let's see the documentation what it says. Uh, okay, so the next step is to go to the public folder, click on the att access, right, and then index.php. So move that to the trust BB folder as well. Trust BB folder right now. Okay, so open this index.php to make some editing. So we have this PD, right? Dot slash remove it. Okay, dot slash, okay, slash will be the dot slash remove it now. So let's click on save changes. So now let's check ahead. Let's go ahead to our link. So it's Trustbob, and let's see what we have over here. So now we are told to continue with the requirement. All extension are enabled, so you can continue. Let's see how we can have the CSS applicable. Vendor themes. Let's copy this. Let's copy this to or yeah, let's copy files. So let's go ahead and see if the CSS is there. I mean the style. Now we have that now. So um we have all this extension enabled. All extension are enabled, so we can continue to the next step. Let's continue. Okay, some permission are missing. Please give 0775 permission to all files above. Okay, add-ons. Let's start with the add-ons file. So we have to give it right click and then change permission. Bootstrap catch, bootstrap, bootstrap catch. We have the lang folder as well, right? Lang folder, change permission. We have the public slash image, public slash names. We have the public slash image and public slash names, public slash names, public slash names slash basics slash names slash basics, right? Okay, basics slash images. So let's refresh. Maybe it is even enabled. Okay, public slash names. resources slash views, resources slash views, resources, resources slash views. So everything you have to change it in storage app, storage framework, storage, storage app, storage framework, and then storage logs. Okay, so now let's see maybe it has enabled all. No, now so we continue to the next step, right? Continue, just continue. Database name. Now our database name is pay value trust underscore trustbob, right? So we click on here, we paste it, and then our password. Make sure there's no space. So we click on continue. Import your database automatically. Click import now. Auto import is not supported on some server. If you click import and you get value, that means your server, please use the manual import. Let me see the manual imports. Uh, let's see if our server can. There will be a file to download right here. Database. So SQL data data underscore SQL. Let's download this file. Let's download this file and then let's upload that file that we downloaded. So import now. Let's see maybe the auto import will work. It work. So we don't even have to upload that downloaded file anymore. So it has worked. Website name, enter your website name and admin access details. Website name, Trustbob. Just give it anything you like. But I'll be giving this Trustbob admin at example.com, right? Admin, admin at example.com, admin at gmail.com. Let's use that. So 1234 1234 1234 1234. So let's finish. Set up and then boom, it has worked. We have this admin at gmail.com, right? Admin at gmail.com, and then we have to 1234 1234. Right, so we log in. So after we've logged in, there are some website settings we have to make. Set up cron job, SMTP not enabled. So you go ahead to the setup cron job. The cron job command must be set to run every minute. So you copy this, right? And then you go ahead to the cron job inside your search cron job. So now let's add new cron job. So the first step now is to set once per minute, right? As the cron job command must be set to run every minute, right? So once per minute. So now here we have to use this specific URL. Okay, let's see pay value just job from job. It is even like this. Let's leave it like this and try to set it up. So cPanel successfully added the from job now. So it has enabled per minute as I have set over here. So it has enabled like that. So the next step is to set up the SMTP. Go to the SMTP, the user setting, the business setting, and all. So everything is right over there. Businesses, everything is working perfectly as seen right here. So we have the admin panel, we have the business panel, we have the user panel, and we have the front end. So you can just test everything out by using the, let's go to the business panel. That would be business instead of admin, right? Let's log out. That instead of admin, that would be business. So we have the business login as well. We have the user panel and the front end. So everything will be working as expected. So yeah, thanks.